first, I'd want to start with what are the most common challenges that you're seeing in these two spaces? Generally speaking, what are observations that you've seen?
Okay, so we'll cover a couple of them off. I think the first thing you need to cover off is that manufacturing, distribution, and I'll also add wholesale companies are pretty much identical. They use identical models throughout the world and across industries. You could literally
the selling process, right?
Yeah, their sales process and the way they set up and the way they distribute is almost identical. You could take a company from Australia and go and put it in the UK and it would just do the same thing. And once again in Germany. But one of their biggest threats, and the biggest threat for the distributor, is the opening of the market via the internet. Meaning you can buy most things from other countries delivered to your door. I've done it last week. I ordered something and, had it delivered from Germany, and because it's below a certain amount, I'm not having to pay tax, etc. And this opens up the opportunity for manufacturers to sell direct, but importantly, getting to know and build a relationship with the end customer. That's the bit that's important. They get to know their needs, their requirements. Now, what they are having to do is they're having to try and balance a distribution channel who are also meant to be their partners in a sales outlet. But this is becoming more and more common, especially in repeat sale consumer goods, and it's getting wider and wider. This has happened for years. It's happened since Dell Computers sold direct, and it's waterfalled throughout all businesses since. And since the Internet of Things has become more intertwined in our lives, it's become easier. But now you've got massive players, the likes of Amazon, Shein, Alibaba, all are huge threats to the distributor. They're wiping out complete wholesale giants with inside markets. But once again, it's an opportunity for the manufacturers to sell direct with one-to-many marketing benefits. It gives a direct channel to the end user. It's now simplified beyond all recognition, which is a major plus to the end user. And as I said, it's leaned towards the consumer buyer at the moment, but it's becoming more and more common in business to business sales. So that's a big piece.
That's a big shift, right?